Hi, I'm Simone Linehan. I'm an artist and an art coach. My whole nearly 50 years has revolved around art. I've always been highly aware of the benefits of art and how it supports my well-being. And I also have the passion to see others thrive in the same way, letting go of limiting beliefs and fears around artistic talent. Seriously, if I had $1 for every time someone said to me, "Oh, I don't have a creative bone in my body," when I say I'm an artist, I'd be a very, very wealthy woman. I love to nurture and support others to rediscover their creative human within. We're all born creative, and visual arts is just one way to show that. So making art, I find, is a magical way to unlock your subconscious mind, which rules 95% of our daily behaviours. So it's really an interesting thing to do. So I'm very thrilled to be presenting a hands-on art-based workshop at the inaugural Eastwood Community Centre Cornucopia 2022 conference. And our topic will be letting go and play, and the importance of all of that. During this workshop, we are going to create some mini abstract paintings, do some drawing techniques, we'll talk about how to be brave and how to let go, and how this can benefit your life beyond art making. So I really look forward to meeting you on Thursday, the 10th of November. So grab a bunch of girlfriends, grab a bunch of tickets, get a table, and get ready for an amazing event. So I hope to see you then. See you.